Alright guys, so hopefully you're enjoying the channel so far. In today's video, I'm going to go over with you on how I get some of my best entries when waiting for confirmation. This doesn't happen all the time. In some trades, there is no confirmation, so it's not always possible. But going further, the first thing, and there's two big key points I look for when I'm trading. When I'm trading, I'm looking for two big things to enter a trade. I'm looking for a key level. Here is the key level right here. This is the level I wanted to trade off of. And here is the entry. The entry would have been on this candle right here. So key level, you're looking for a key level to trade off of. The reason this is a key level, it was a bottom here and it was a top here. That's what makes it a key level to me. So I'm looking to trade into it on the next day or whenever it does approach that level. So sometimes you do have to take trades just immediately on the touch, and those trades are a little bit more uncomfortable, but sometimes you do have to take them. You're gonna completely miss the boat if you do wait for confirmation. But your win rate's going to be a little bit higher with confirmation, so it's a little give and take. It's up to you. You're going to have better probably risk to reward, bigger upside because you're getting in on the absolute bottom, but you're going to be wrong a little bit more. So what I'm waiting for is volume when I'm entering these trades. So what I'm waiting for is selling volume to pretty much be overtaken by the buying volume, as you guys can see right down here. This is the volume. So once selling volume right here is overtaken by buying volume, as you see, there was more buying volume on the next candle. Once we reached that level, we had a big green bar, buying volume overtook selling volume. To me, that's confirmation. To me, that means buyers are interested. This level will most likely be respected. So what I'm waiting for on the next candle is a tiny pullback to get in immediately on the candle entry, on the candle open. So once that next candle opens, tiny pullback, I'm looking to get in. So as you can see, I entered on this candle and I sold up into the rips. So it is exiting the trade isn't as, it depends on what your levels are. You could have say, hey, I want to sell into here. I want to hold for the bigger move. I see this resistance up here. It depends on what you see. I sometimes get into the habit of scalping. So once I get that first big green candle, I sell into them. I scale out, and that does sometimes result in me missing out on bigger moves, but I like getting paid quick. It's just part of my personality, I feel. But it still is also normally too hard, double my risk, triple my risk. But I don't hit the huge home runs all the time. That is something I am working on because I know I could hit bigger trades. But in this market, you do have to adapt, and it just hasn't been giving you those big continuous moves. It's been choppy of late, so you have to more of just hit your singles in a sense. And then once the market starts moving, once it starts trending, then you hit those home run trades. But to me, the best way to quote unquote bottom tick, even though you're not technically bottom ticking it, is waiting for the confirmation in the volume. This is a 5-minute chart as well. You could do this on any chart you want, but you're waiting for the confirmation with the volume. In my eyes, that is one of the easiest ways to time your entries because you know you're going to be on the right side on a lot of trades. Obviously, this doesn't always work, but it does provide some great entries as long as you realize you have to time the market and still have good exits. You can't just hold on to trades all day, most likely, because you never know when that trade's going to be over. So, here's going to be another example. This right here, very key level. Let me zoom in on it. This right here was a very key level. The entry zone was over here. So let's look at this a little more clear. Here you go. Here's the key level. Now let's look at the day. As you can see, sell volume overtakes it. We're looking for the pullback into it. Your entry is most likely right right here. You get in on it, and that's a great trade. As you can see, it never really breaks the top. If your stop could be up here, never breaks it, and you get some big dump candles all the way to the bottom, pretty much the opening range highs. So guys, like, comment, subscribe if you want more of this content. Subscribe. I will be posting more videos like this. If you guys want to learn how I exit my trades, just leave it down in the comments. If you guys think you guys have better entry strategies, let me know in the comments how you enter your trades, or if you want more insight on how I trade, follow the link in the bio. I do sell a course where I go more in depth on this, but hopefully you guys enjoy your day, and thank you for watching.